Hello everyone and welcome back to RiceFix, and in this video we will be replacing Hero Maestro oil. And remember to please like the video before proceeding any further. So let's get started. So the first thing what you'll have to do is come down here, and as you can see this bolt here, you'll have to remove this oil drain bolt. So take a 17 mm socket and remove this oil drain bolt and let all the oil flow out. Now as the oil is flowing out, you come on the other side, and when you come down here you can see this oil filter cap. This cap you'll have to remove. Inside of this you will find the oil filter. This is not the type of oil filter which we used to get before. I will show you how the new type of oil filter looks like. So first keep a vessel so that your oil will drop in the vessel, and then take a 17 mm socket and remove this oil filter cap. I have already loosened this cap and kept so that our video doesn't become more long. As you can see, I have removed the oil filter cap here. So once you remove the oil filter cap, you will see that there is a spring here. Remove that spring, and as you can see, this spring is slightly bigger on one side and smaller on the other side. So once you remove that spring, here is the oil filter. Now instead of the oil filter, there is a metal net like filter. You don't have to replace it, you just have to wash it down with petrol and put the same filter back. So I will take it out and I will show you. As you can see here, this is the metal net which come instead of the oil filter now. You don't have to replace this. You will have to clean this nicely and put it back. As you can see here how dirty and blocked this is. So now I will clean this. So take fresh petrol in a vessel, use a toothbrush and clean this oil filter like this, and then wipe it off with a dry cloth. And as you can see here how clean my oil filter has become now. So like this you must clean this oil filter before putting it back. So now I will put this back. So this is my clean oil filter and I will put it back now. After putting it back, you will have to put the spring back, and you will have to put the fatter side of the spring first, and then I will put back the oil filter cap. See that you tighten the oil filter cap properly. And once you tighten the oil filter cap, you come on the other side and put back the oil drain bolt, and make sure you tighten it properly. And once you put the oil drain bolt back, come on top and remove the oil filler cap and place a funnel in the oil filler hole. Now according to the Hero Maestro manual, as you can see here, the oil capacity is 800 ml and you should be putting 10W30 SG grade oil. So take any of the 10W30 800 ml oil and put it in the oil filler hole, and then close the filler cap. So with this, your oil replacement is complete. Thanks for watching this video till the end. So if you want to watch more repair videos from me, I have put a link on the side here. You can watch all the videos here. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then press this logo below me. So watch these videos and start doing your own repairs. Till then, bye and take care.